Soul and Lovers. This is AP, one in a billion, and I'm back. As you guys know, if you've been following, we have a smart refrigerator at our house. The Soul and Love family have the Samsung smart refrigerator. And our smart refrigerator has been talking to us as of late. What it's been saying is that our filter needs changing. So what my wife did was she went ahead and she went right on the refrigerator itself and ordered a new filter. That's right. The refrigerator is that smart that you can just order a new filter directly from it. So we did that, and now it came in about a couple days. It's time to install this new water filter. So you look and you say, oh my gosh, am I equipped of doing such a thing? How can I, someone who isn't tech savvy, install a water filter? A new water filter. Guys, when I bought this refrigerator, they weren't supposed to install this refrigerator themselves, but the company was supposed to install it. But what ended up happening was I had to install this refrigerator because we wanted it to be here in time for Thanksgiving. So anyway, I learned how to install this. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Okay? It's quite simple. I'm just using one hand right now. Matter of fact, give me a second. Okay, guys. So there it goes. We open this bad boy up. Take the top off. Open our fridge. Look, guys. Right there. That's the old water filter. You turn it to the left. Voila. It goes right out. Now, you take our new filter. You got to push it in hard. Push it in hard, guys. Push it in. Turn it. And voila. A brand new water filter has been installed. That easy, guys. Now, wasn't that easy? My point is that anybody can do this. Anybody that buys a smart refrigerator can change their own filter. So, on that note, guys, I gotta head to the store with my son. He is none other than the miracle kid Josiah. Miracle baby Josiah, you ready to go to the store?
Yeah.
Alright, guys. We gotta go to the store.
Sister.
That's what they should do? Okay, guys. Subscribe, like, comment, share these videos, and hopefully I helped somebody and gave them some good info on what you need to do if you need to install a new water filter, okay, in your smart fridge. On that note, we out. Subscribe now.
Happy and you know it say, hey, happy and you know it say, hey.